legal dictation, court orders, 70 words per minute start into the misconduct of a workman. Such evidence would be taken into consideration by the labor court or the tribunal only if it is found that the domestic enquiry conducted by the management on the scale that the standard of proof required therein can be preponderance of probability and not a proof beyond all reasonable doubts, suffers from inherent defects, or is violent or principles of natural justice. In other words, the labor court or the tribunal cannot, without first examining the material lead in the domestic enquiry, jump to a conclusion and mechanically permit the parties to lead evidence as if it is an essential procedural part of the enquiry to be held under section 33 2b of the Act. Viewed from this perspective, if the second respondent had been of the opinion that the domestic enquiry suffered from any infirmity, it ought to have disclosed the same to the parties and thereafter called upon them to adduce their evidence in support of their respective contentions, and then finally decided the validity of the domestic enquiry. At this juncture, it must be recapitulated here that the Constitution Bench of the Honorable Supreme Court of India in Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation 2001 5 SSC 433 has held that in order to avoid unnecessary delay and multiplicity of proceedings when an employer seeks approval under section 33 2b of the Act, leave to lead additional evidence to support the action in the alternative and without prejudice to his rights and contentions has to be made in application itself. In this case, it is seen from para 6 of Form T that the petitioner has sought for such leave, as it is apparent that the exercise in accordance with the procedure required to be followed in the aforesaid binding decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court of India had not been undertaken by the first respondent in this case, it would not be possible to uphold the impugned orders refusing approval for termination of the first respondent. Stop. If you want outline this passage, comment. Definitely I will upload the outlines. Thanks.